Well, I decided not to put the Samsons on. These are the 36-inch fishtails, and they came in, but I don't know. I just didn't think it would look good. I mean, I know it sounds good and everything, but I decided to put some Vance Hines slip-ons. I just ordered those. Those should be in. I put white walls on it, and I think it looks a lot better with the white walls. Got all the LED lighting for it, custom dynamics, and the lights that I used have the trim ring around them on the front ones that really accents the front really nice, because it matches this right here. So the front ones are there. These are actually white or clear at night. When you turn the turn signal, they turn yellow or amber. And I just put those tires on a couple weeks ago, so it looks good. And I got the laid down license plate for it. I also put the heel kicker or shifter on it. Actually, it's a little easier on the boots, because boots don't fit on here, and it was way too high. So, but anyway, let's get to putting the slip-ons on, and we'll see how it sounds. Well, like I said, I'm not going to put these pipes on. I was going to put them on, but decided not to. So let's just do a quick sound check on it, so you can see what the difference is, how it sounds. Let's see if that, there we go. Anyway, we're gonna put those on probably this morning sometime, and do another sound check with it. I am gonna go with the Eliminator 3s. I've also been doing some reading on the tab performance, the zombies, but I mean, you guess you could change the baffles on them, but we'll see which ones we're gonna put on. Anyway, let's I'm gonna go for a ride first, and then of course, after it cools down, we'll put them on. Well, let's put these on. We're not going to worry about this. But these are the Eliminator 300s. Like I said, I decided I'm not going to put the Samson True Duals. It just doesn't fit the theme of the bike. So these should work okay. Let's open them up, see what we got. We got both the pipes. Got a couple clamps, an instruction sheet, but as you could see through these things. I mean, they're not, you know, completely closed like the ones that are on the bike now. Anyway, shouldn't take too long to take those off, and we'll put these on. We'll see how it sounds. Heat shields off, both of them. These are 5/16, whatever they call this thing. It's a hose clamp, basically. These two bolts here, these are very, very tight. Those two and these two. You use this right here. That's a 3/16. I used the T-handle, so those came up pretty easy, or loosened up. You have this nut right here. Loosens up the, that's the clamp that holds it together, and this one right here. So let's pull these out. That one's out. The factory hose clamp. Alright. And they're both off. There we go. Alright. I'm not going to turn it on without the exhaust on, so I'll go ahead and put the other mufflers on right now. I guess when they're fairly new, they don't get glued on here, so they came out pretty easy, and they came in very easy as well, so that's a good thing. Now I don't know if I don't think I need to put the heat shields back on. Okay, that should be about right there. Push it back a little bit. Anyway, that's what they look like. Not really much hard to do or anything like that. Let me see if I don't think I have to put these on. Let's see what we got here. No, I'm gonna leave them off. Just tighten up all of these right here. Tighten up this nut right here. It's a 7/16. Clean them up. What you want to do is, before you heat it up, clean all your fingerprints off of this cold metal, because stainless steel will get stained with your fingertips and stuff. I put the Vance Hines logo on the top muffler. It's only on one, so I'll just leave it back there. Let me tighten up all these all up, and we'll fire it up. They are. I wiped them off. and got all my fingerprints off of them. Well, let's fire it up, see what happens. There we go. Neutral. All right. Well, I'll be damned. It's a lot louder than the stock or the stock mufflers, but I like it. I'm gonna take it to the dealership tomorrow and have them tune it. I got that Screaming Eagle street tuner, so I'm gonna put that on. Heard different stories, different people saying that they didn't tune it. I'm just gonna do it just for peace of mind, just to make sure that everything is the way it needs to be. I don't think I said this, but I put a heel shifter on it also on that, and changed all the LEDs. The LEDs are awesome. The lenses that I got come with this chrome ring around it, and these are smoke lenses, and I put the triple play module on it as well, so it just basically when you step on the brake it flashes 4 times, but at the same time the 2 turn signals are also running lights. Stock, they weren't they would not come on only when you use the turn signal, but I think it sounds good. I think it's just nicer without the big long Samson pipes on there. We ended up I sold them to one of the guys in our group. He put them on his 18 Softail Slim, and it's also an M8 motor, so his sounds pretty good, and he tuned it, and he says he didn't lose any torque on it or anything like that. He had a different exhaust on it. Anyway, I decided to put the Vance Hines on it just because of the easiness of putting it on, and plus it doesn't take away from the bike. Anyway, thanks for watching this video. If you like it, give it the thumbs up. If you don't, well, you can do that, but leave me a comment, see what you think of my scooter. Not many mods that I'm going to do to it, at least not yet, until the warranty expires, which is in 4 years. But that's what I got. Anyway, thank you for watching. Have a good weekend. It is Friday afternoon. Ride safe, be safe, and see you next time.